Alright, so this is down the oil passageway, and there's some probably dried oil in there. So we'll see if we can get anything out that may get picked up by the oil pump. I'm not sure what that is. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, so we got that seal in. Gotta get that one. What do I do with my snap ring? Come on, Harbor Freight. Don't fail me now. Appears to be in. Alright. Actually, we need to use that to put our seal back in. Alright, got the seal put in. Do one more cleanup real good. They didn't give us a new seal for that one. Didn't find one anyway. I don't know if I put that in earlier or not. Would like to try and clean some of this up, but I think it's just stained really. Alright, so about ready to put our gasket on there. And it says to just put sealer right here, but I don't believe in that. If you're gonna do it all. I mean, I think you would leave a layer up a little bit higher than the rest of it, which would never be good. So we'll do the whole thing. There you go, get it on your chain. That'll help. I honestly like just wiping on my finger. There's oil right there. See that? Get all the oil. Make sure I ain't got a bunch of overage. I think that'll do. And we'll glue it. Just like that. I'm gonna do my cover, and then I'll slip it on and start bolting it. See if we can get these two to go together. Okay. In our book somewhere it tells us what bolts are what. Let's see here. Short, medium, short, long. Okay, so that's what I got. I don't know which ones. I guess these are medium. I got one long. Alright. Since oil always goes down, I always like to tighten my bottom ones first. I'm just gonna slowly run these in till they're snug. And I think they got it tightening order, which is usually star shaped. Each time you undo this, you want to go back and check, make sure all your crank and everything's turning still. Alright, got that little gem on. Now, oh, this is for our timing plate. That's what that's for. A speedo. Ooh, that's pretty rusty inside. Works fine though. Doesn't look good on the inside. See if we can clean that out. How does it come out? Oh, there we go. Let's clean that out a bit.